Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, or good evening, all depending on exactly when you're hitting that play button. No matter when you're watching this, welcome back. Thanks for watching. And today we've got some cases from Urban Armor Gear. And you're right, they sent me these cases. They're amazing. They're phenomenal. You guys know I love Urban Armor Gear cases. And I don't think I've shown you guys these cases on the channel before. One of the cases I've shown you a while back with an iPhone, but the other one, it's completely brand new. So I'm really excited. I don't know which is which. We're going to make two different videos. So if you see two different videos come out, make sure you watch both of them. And let's go ahead and open one of them and see which one we're going to get into first. Nice. Thank you, Urban Armor Gear. Thank you. This is the Metropolis iPhone for the 6.5, which means it's for the Max Pro or the Max. Is there a Max and not a Max Pro? I don't even know. I'm horrible. So here we go. Check this guy out. Let's look at it with all of its excitable glory. I actually think everything looks better in this camera. Just to do a quick little camera comparison for you guys. My main camera, I am running my Sony a7R III, and I'm just using the regular kit lens. It's the wide angle. It's amazing. It takes good photos. Nothing fancy about it, but the image is still phenomenal. This side B-roll camera I have over here is this is the Note 10 Plus, and it takes phenomenal front-facing 4K. Over here, this camera, I'm running the Pixel 4 XL, and it's front-facing camera I'm using, and it's only in 1080p because I like to actually see what I'm putting in front of the camera. So just to kind of give you guys a comparison of some different video quality and what it looks like if you're in the market for a cell phone. Maybe you are, maybe you're not. Maybe you just want to buy another phone. You want to know which one has a better picture. I think it's the Note 10 Plus, FYI, unless you want to drop several grand on the Sony. So this is drop tested. Are we going to take them at their word for it, or are we going to drop this ourselves? Either way, let's pop this open. Let's talk about the awesome features of the Metropolis. First and foremost, this is not my first rodeo with this case. My husband uses this case exclusively, and he's a realtor, and he's a really busy guy. He drops his phone all the time, and he likes the folio look and feel of the case. He puts cards in here. He'll put some cash in there. He has to have his phone to gain access to houses for the MLS. So his phone is not just a phone. It's literally mandatory for him to go and do his job. And he loves this case, and he always says, if you get me a new phone, make sure you get me the case I like. And this is it. This is the case he likes. I'm actually thinking I might take my phone and use this case today and see how I like it. But if you look, some key features to point out, this has got a little flappy flap, and it is legit a little magnet inside, so it does keep it nice and cozy. This looks like it's stitched and adhesive on at the same time, so it's glued and stitched on, so that's not coming off. You can actually see the stitching in there and the quality of this case. This is not a junk case. This right here is more like rubber than it is anything else, but you still, if you look inside, you get your protection for your drops. You've got your raised edges nice and good. The texture looks cool, but what it actually does is it raises the phone up just a little bit from that level there to that level, and it creates a nice little cushion inside. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plop our phone in there. It went in. It was one of the easiest case installs I've ever done. And if you're thinking case installs shouldn't be complicated, but I'm here to tell you right now, some of the OtterBox Symmetry cases, those are some tough little cookies to get in and out. I kind of struggle. I don't show you on camera because I don't want you to see how bad I struggle, but they're kind of tough. So here it is, the UAG Metropolis. Just a little droppy drop. That's it. We're not going to do anything too crazy with this one. We're just gonna see like, hey, is my phone gonna survive a little drop? I think the answer is yes. Oh, that one was kind of rough. That one was kind of rough. We're not gonna do a full crazy on drop test with this one, or are we? Couple other key features that I want to go ahead and highlight with this device. We are back over here using the Pixel 4 XL for those following video quality at home. This right here is a beautiful large cutout. It's not back in the day when we just had like a camera and then they upgraded from a camera to a flash camera, flash, some sort of sensor. Now we've got cameras and cameras and cameras and sensors and dodo bird side of flight cameras and all sorts of other stuff. This is it, right? It's a beautiful case. They've built this for the working person. They have built this for the guy and gal and everything in between on the go. The person that needs protection, front and back protection. So with that said, you want to have a case that you know and you trust, and you want to think, well, you know, Urban Armor gear, it's one of the ones I know and I trust is going to protect my phone. Just as I suspected, the phone looks absolutely perfect. This case literally hugs your device and provides protection on the back and the front. It's phenomenal. If you're on the go on a construction site, working every day, or you're just kind of a fumbly type of person, this might be the case for you. Let's do another drop just for good measure to see how it's going to come out. Okay guys, that one scared me a little bit. It smacked really hard, it popped open, it turned over, and I'm like, ugh, this is my 11 Pro Max? Not a cheap device, but I trusted my phone inside this Urban Armor gear case. Let's see if it survived. No damage to the screen, good. Opening it up. No damage to the back, no cracks. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Looking at the sides, looking to make sure those absorbing corners actually did their job. No damage anywhere. Perfect. Device is flawless as when I put it in the case. Urban Armor gear, this case is phenomenal. It protected my phone, it gives me confidence, and it's super functional. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw today, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you really liked the video, please consider taking my videos and sharing it on social media with your friends, families, and loved ones and saying, hey, check this guy out. It is the ultimate compliment you can pay to me. And I appreciate the time we got to spend together. Hopefully you have a great day. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.